Hi everybody, welcome to Live Blogger. In this tutorial series, we are creating this single page website using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. And this is our progress as of now. We have designed all the sections over here. Now in this video, we will add the animation for these sections. So if you go to the original design and if you scroll down here, we can see that we have the animation for the sections when they are displayed. And in this video, we will add the animation to the elements of our website. So let's get started. Now for making the process of adding animation easier, we're going to use this library called AOS, Animate on Scroll. So you can just search for Animate on Scroll and go to this link right here. So this is the library right here. And if you scroll down, we can see the demo of the library. So we just need to add this data attribute. And then we need to add the animation name. And it will have the animation. So here we can see we have different types of animation. We have fade up, fade down. And then we have fade right, fade left. So all these animations over here. So you can go ahead and take a look at these animations. And you can use any of these animations in your websites. So let's scroll down. And here we can see we have the CDN links. So let's copy the CDN of CSS. And let's go to our source code. And let's go to the HTML file. And let's paste it over here inside the head section. Right now let's go back and let's copy this JavaScript. So let's copy the script tag from here. And let's scroll down and let's paste it over here just before the body ends. So I'll just paste it over here. And now if we go back here, we can see that we also need to initialize the AOS library. So let's copy the script tag from here and let's paste it over here. And we can also add different options over here. So I'll just add the duration. So let's set the default duration to, let's try 800. And you can find all the options in this documentation of the library. So you can just go over here to view on GitHub. And here if you scroll down, here we can see all the options are displayed over here. So you can use any of these options in your library. So we have used the duration option. You can use all these other options over here. Right now, let's go ahead and start with adding the animation. So the first thing we will do is we will add the animation to this services section. So here we can see when we scroll down, we have the animation over here for each of the different services. Now if you go back to our source code and if you go to the HTML of the services section, so here we have the services section. Now here we can see we have the container division, but the services are added dynamically using JavaScript. So let's go to the JavaScript code and let's scroll down. And here we have the code for adding the services. So this is the HTML code. Now let's add the data attribute over here for the icon. So this is the icon division. So let's type data-AOS equals, and let's add the animation flip left. And then for the service content, let's add an animation. I'll just type data AOS equals, and let's add the fade in animation. Right now, let's go ahead and take a look at our design. So if you scroll down, we can see that the animation is working. Right now, let's go ahead and add the animation for this about section. So let's go back to our HTML file. And this is the content of the about section. Now for the image, we need to add an animation. So let's type data AOS equals. And for the image, let's add an animation called fade right. And then for the right section, let's add an animation. So let's type data AOS. And let's add the animation fade in. Right now, let's save this. And now if you scroll down, we can see that the animation is working all right. Right now we need to add the animation for these blog posts. So let's scroll down. And even for the blog section, we have the data added by the JavaScript. So let's go to the JavaScript code and let's scroll down. And here we have the HTML of the blog card. Now here we need to add the animation to the card division. Now this is all the content that we need to have inside the card. So here for the card, let's type card.setAttribute, and here let's type data-AOS, and for the value Let's tap fade in. And now let's see whether this works. So let's scroll down. And we can see that the animation is working alright. So that's basically it with the animation of our website. You can add the animation to this contact section and the footer as well. So you can follow the same process and do it for all the other sections. Alright, so that's basically it for this video. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the comments below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button and subscribe to this channel to get the latest video updates. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a nice day.